a safety gun.
What could be in there, Ryan?
Do you want Lockie to help?
Yeah.
Just rip it. That's it. Whoa. So we can have a look. What is it? Dinosaurs.
Pencil. And books.
A box in a box. Can you get it?
Need help?
Look at tunnel.
What is
Look
it?
at tunnel.
A tunnel, is it?
Look at tunnel.
Well, you can play with the box after and put Thomas in there, but what's in the box? You get... It's getting in the box.
Oh.
Can you get... It's going to disappear in a minute.
What is Dr. He? Where's my phone?
You got your box?
Oh, no, come on. Come on.
Ryan!
Hang on, what's going on here? What if you dip the box up? What's in there?
One more box!
Oh, okay.
Come on, Ryan! Do you want Lockie to get it? Ryan, do you want Lockie to get it?
There.
Good job. Bring it over here.
Okay, put it on the thing.
You're talking here.
It's dark in there, is it? I reckon you'd fit in that box.
Wait.
What's in there? Ones are for Mum. Oh, look what's in there, Ryan.
What is that?
Oh, what's that? Ah, that's for cakes. That's cocoa powder and raw sugar. Oh, and look, that's for cake decorating. That must be the cake box. Can you get it? Another box. Hold it with two hands. Oh, no, you got it.
A box with a box with a box.
What's in there? Whoa, shape tins. Oh, they look pretty cool. You can make a rocket cake, Ryan. That's it, pull it. That's it. Oh, I think we've opened it upside down, but that's okay. What's in there? Anyway, what's that one? Oh, Ryan, look, that's a sausage dog. Sausage dog puzzle. That's really cute. What's that one? Thinking putty. Oh, what's that? Paw Patrol.
The dogs.
Lots of dogs. What's that one?
The dogs.
Oh, you can paint some dogs. That one looks a little bit like Jack. And that's some moulding clay. That's really cool. More books for Mum. Is that it?
Yep.
All done. Where are we going to put all this?